Oh, Prof here, and today we're opening up a Amazon warehouse Empoleon deck, which is Sun and Moon Ultra Prism Imperial Command theme deck. So this is one that I picked up through Amazon warehouse. So far, all the decks have been solid. So if you find a deck via my links down below in the description, on the Amazon warehouse side of things, you can be pretty confident that you're actually going to get, what it says. I would still say, make sure you got a Prime account and you got to get a credit card just in case you have to do returns or something, like as you saw, hopefully in the previous haul slash Amazon warehouse opening, where with a lot of the ones that have boosters in them, they crack them open and steal the good shit out and seal them back up with commons. Forgot to take pictures of the previous Mewtwo EX box here that I got a really good deal on, but even though I got the good deal on it, it doesn't matter when it is completely devoid of what's supposed to be in it. Like the Mewtwo EX card, as well as, well, if every pack has been restacked with commons, that's some bullshit. In this case, let's crack this guy open here. We got the play mat. I have a, that's part of the reason why you guys should buy, besides getting the Battle Academy for the 3 decks it comes with, and the cards, is it actually comes with a hard playmat. Which is pretty nice. So here we have our coin. There we go. We have our Ultra Prism deck here, and we have our usual bent specialty card here. They're always bent, which is annoying. Empoleon, True Hollow. Let's put that guy over there. Fill out one of our, this is the Imperial Command theme deck here. Fill out our sleeve. Alright. Pop our Empoleon in there. Eventually I'll have like a section in my, right now all the ones in the front are just special ones. I'll probably start, once they have to have their own binder, I'll have like a section for deck ones and for, that sort of stuff. So, Imperial Command deck here. Some of these are bent. Not as bad as that previous one I got from the warehouse deal, though. In the back here, we'll keep this because we need to find out which cards we need, you know? And sort them. So energies. Hey, there's our first Empoleon. Energy. We'll sort out the trainer cards too. Basically, I'm just sorting the energies into a pile here. You guys can see some of these cards as I'm going through. It's an all water deck as far as I can tell. Oop, oop, oop. Yep, all water as far as I can tell. So it wants one Empoleon or two Empoleons, which is cool and all. One's gonna be the hollow, and the second one I already have off to the side here. Here's the non-hollow, same art. Sometimes you'll get different art depending on the deck. Next up, we got Prinlup, two of those. There we go. There's a Prinlup. And I'm getting the Piplups out of there right away too, because we need those. There's the second Prinlup. And we have 3 Piplups. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's what those look like. Next up, Obama Snow. I think I have a hollow. One of those. There's an Obama Snow. Not in here, but like I pulled one. You guys tell me, since you guys watch, probably pay more attention than I do. So there's our second Obama Snow. And then we need 3 Snovers. I already knew that, so that's what that looks like. And then we have a Lowland Sandslash and then Sandshrew. So there's Sandshrew. Sandslash. There's a Lowland Sandslash. Pretty badass. I don't get why the Alolan ones look like they're like snowy, kind of, if that makes sense. As you think, like Alola meaning like Hawaii style, but they might mean more like native culture style. I don't know. Floatzel. There's our Floatzel here. Yep. Get over there. And I know we need to beat Buizel. It's like Weasel, but. And Manaphy and Corsola. There's our Manaphy. And here's our Corsola. So that's all our monster Pokemons. Next up, our trainer cards. So we're looking for Aqua Patch. Right there. We just need one of those. Skateboard. That's Rescue Stretcher. There you go, a skateboard. Escape rope. Right there. There's how. I need 2 of those. 1, 2. And Lily. There's one of those. Yeah, it looks like a Hawaiian culture mixed with Alaskan. Interesting. Pokemon Fan Club by 2. There's 1. There's 2. Professor Kooky? Or yeah, Kooky. 1. 2. Rescue Stretcher, you got one of those. Sophocles. 2 of these guys. 1, 2. Timer Ball. 1, 2. Ultra Ball. 1. And you got 20 energies. Yep, and there we go. So yeah, this one from Amazon Warehouse, this is the 3rd deck I've gotten, the 2nd one I've opened, and it's all been here. So yeah, it's good to know. If you guys try any of these Amazon Warehouse deals for Pokemon, let me know. Let me know how it goes. Send me some pictures. So far, I've pretty much struck out on the packs. You've hopefully seen some of the previous videos where I really thought they were in there, and they did a pretty good job hiding it. So this was the Pokemon Sun and Moon Ultra Prism Imperial Command theme deck featuring Empoleon. See you in the next one.